dear kids. Today we are going to learn patterns in English. So today we are going to learn standing line. This is a standing line which runs from top to the bottom. This pen over here is a standing line. I am standing and that makes me a standing line.
A girl. Let's say girl. I am a girl. I am a girl. A boy. Again, let's say boy. I am a boy. I am a boy.
My name is. The teacher will ask all the children to tell their names. We all have names to identify ourselves, and each of us is unique.
Circle. Wheel. Buttons.
Observe the sleeping line. Fork printing flower. Take one fork and dip the fork into different paste of watercolors. Place it over the paper to form different colored flowers and draw the stem with green color as shown in figure.
Introduction of the square. All sides of the square are equal. Photo frame. Chessboard. Window. Clock.
Jumpy cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth with it, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Head. Eye. Ear. Arm. Hand. Leg. Eyebrow. Nose. Lip. Mouth. Tongue. Foot.
Letter I. LCE cube. Iron. Island. Ink. Icicle. Insects. Iguana. Igloo.
Senses: eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid, I see the beautiful world with my eyes. Complete the picture of eyes.